Here's an explanation of the different floor plans home buyers in Northern Colorado can expect, with a fun and rare one I've included at the end. A ranch home is arguably the most desirable floor plan. It's a single-story home with a simple layout, often featuring a long, low profile. Ranch homes are popular for their ease of accessibility, i.e. no stairs. They often have attached garages and could have a basement too. A two-story home will have 2 full levels of living space, all above ground, and they can have a basement too. Two-story homes offer more square footage on a smaller footprint. Bedrooms are usually located upstairs on the 2nd floor, while the main living areas and kitchen are on the 1st floor. Basements are used for storage, rec rooms, and maybe an extra bedroom too. A tri-level home has 3 distinct levels: a main floor for the kitchen and living area, an upper floor with bedrooms, and a lower level for additional living space, which is semi-underground or at garden level. The levels are usually staggered and connected by short flights of stairs. A tri-level might also have an additional basement, but to be a basement, this section of the home must be 100% underground. A bi-level, sometimes called a split level, is similar to a 2-story with 2 levels and an entryway landing in between. The defining feature of a bi-level is that the lower floor is garden level or semi-underground, which is a cheaper construction option for a builder, and as such, these homes sell for less compared to their 2-story friends. A patio home is usually always a detached home, but on a smaller lot, typically designed for low-maintenance living. These homes often have shared community amenities and may include features like a courtyard or small patio in place of a traditional yard. Often the exterior maintenance is handled by the HOA too. A townhome or a townhouse is a multi-story attached home that shares 1 or more walls with neighboring units. Townhomes and townhouses usually come with a smaller yard and less exterior maintenance. They are less expensive than detached homes and can be a good economic option for first-time homeowners. A condo or condominium is a residential unit within a multi-unit building or complex. Owners own the interior of the home but share ownership of common areas like hallways, amenities, and exterior spaces. Condos have higher HOA fees as the association covers many expenses, maintenance costs, and often utilities. And here's the surprise I promised: the earthship. Earthships are built into hillsides or in the ground. They are sustainable, off-the-grid homes built with natural and recycled materials. But they're very difficult to get loans on. I'm Realtor Robert Crow, and this is Floor Plans Defined. These videos are part of my Client Toolkit, so please be sure to check out the others and like, comment, and subscribe.